Alright, we're going to try to start this old Bad Johnson up. It's been a little while. I've been rebuilding it for the last couple weeks, or last week. Pulls today, I ain't going to make it, but I'm fine with that. Just got the lines bleeded out, and then everything should be set, I'm pretty sure. We're going to start with the rocker arm off, because I'm going to go retorque the heads again. But, alright, we're going to try it. Alright, I doubt she's going to start, but we'll see.
And it bent a rod in it, so
Yeah.
then when we was putting it back together, he broke a ring trying to put the rings in it, so he ordered new rings. So that's now what we're trying to do, is try to get them seated right.
Yeah, we just got it all, I don't know, still got to break it in and everything, but it seems like that was the first start, literally, and it seems like it's running pretty good.
Yeah, it sounds really smooth.
Um,
But it would only run bad at high RPMs.
yeah.
So after we get it broken, maybe we'll figure it out.
Yeah, next pool, I'm coming to it, so. Alright, we're going to make probably more videos tonight of tractor pulling and stuff, but alright, thanks for watching, y'all.